Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Yosmos. Space exploration is my passion, a place that answers all your space questions. I'm a Yosmonaut, Yash Mittal. Why don't you buckle up as we launch this episode? Where does space start? Most jet planes don't fly above 15 kilometers, where there's still enough oxygen to burn fuel in their engines and keep them flying. But that's nowhere near to start of space. Space is generally defined as starting at about 100 kilometers above Earth, which is where conventional planes would struggle to make enough lift to stay in the air. That doesn't mean Earth's atmosphere is all done and dusted by that point. Far from it. The lowest satellites, known as low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites, fly at heights above 160 kilometers or 100 miles from Earth, which is over 10 times higher than planes fly. Even so, they still feel some drag from the outer reaches of our atmosphere, which fizzles on up to 800 kilometers or higher. You might think space is a long way away, but 100 kilometers is not so far. A car hurtling along at highway speed would take just an hour to get you there. A rocket will get there about 20 times faster in just 3 minutes. What is space like? From the point of someone designing a rocket, space is a place effectively beyond Earth's reach, beyond most of its gravity and atmosphere. Although we tend to think of it as a vacuum, it's not completely empty. There's radiation zipping through it. There must be. How else would we see all those distant stars and planets? Meteors nipping past cosmic dust and even bites of space junk, broken bits of satellites and rockets. Perhaps the best way to think of space is as a plane of wild extremes. Emptiness, weightlessness, when you're far from any planets. 1 minute, deep darkness and extreme cold, when you're shaded from the sun. The next, blinding light, dangerous cosmic radiation, and extreme heat.